On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree. Hey, Graham. Oh. Hey, Rich. How's it going? Not too bad. Big calendar. There's probably something in the box for you. What'd you get?
I got some wings.
Wow. That's cool. You want some help putting them on?
I got these on.
Yeah, it looks like there's like little places to slip your arm in there.
Hey, don't laugh.
All right.
There you go. That's not too bad.
Yeah, you look good.
Like an angel.
Kind of.
All right. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree.
Hey, Brandon.
Gentlemen,
What'd you get?
Behind the door.
not really sure.
What? Oh, wow. That looks like something my grandma used to wear.
Yep.
Yeah.
Where's it? On your head.
Oh.
Nice.
Pretty?
Yep. Ugly. Yeah.
On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 3 French hens,
2 turtle doves
and a partridge in a pear tree.
Hey, Andrew.
Hey guys.
Nice.
Wow,
birds.
2 birds for 4 days. Maybe she's pregnant with twins. Maybe. Now they're antlers.
All right.
You guys ready? Yep. On the 4th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree.
Jack. Hey, guys.
What'd you get?
5 golden rings.
You gonna do a magic trick?
Yeah, like separate them.
Or not?
No, I think we'll just sing. Or just hold them. Sing. Yeah. On the 5th day of Christmas, my true love came to me. 5 golden rings.
4 calling birds, 3 French hens,
2 turtle doves.
and a partridge in a pear tree.
Die?
Yes!
What? I got a belt.
I don't know what you're scared of, the gift or the fact that I'm excited.
Yeah.
It's not a belt?
Not a belt. It's like a scarf or something. I think.
Oh.
Oh, boy.
That would make sense.
That's fabulous.
That would be kind of a weird belt, I guess.
What else you got?
I got a hat.
Wow.
All right.
Large goose.
On the 6th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 6 old geese laying and 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens,
2 turtle doves.
and a partridge in a pear tree. Hi guys. Hey.
Olo.
What did you get?
What's that all? What is that? A flipper?
There we go. Scuba divers and
Is it 7? No. It's like on a swimming.
I was thinking dolphin tails.
I'm giving us these presents.
Little mermaids. What else, right? Just your modern day gift guy. Oh, nice. All right. Let's just see. 4 eyes.
On the 7th day of Christmas time, my true love gave
Vice check.
Thought I had a bad.
Dude, you can make that look kind
Rapunzel's
of
Rapunzel
Yeah.
right down your hair.
No. He looks like a Viking.
No, it's like, I just saw
Yeah,
that.
Viking.
It's exactly Rapunzel.
Braids, I mean, veins and those are cool.
Alright.
Ba-doo-ba-doo-be-doo-wop. Do-ba-ba-doo-ba-doo-be-doo-wop.
On the air of Christmas, my true love,
She gave me 8 days of milking and 7 swans of swimming, 60 sleighing and 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree.
What? Hey, Nick.
Can't go back. Like a little girl. Yeah.
I thought Rapunzel was bad.
I'm good with this. I'm like, hey, yeah, good.
That was good, Nick.
What are you looking at? Make a little goofy.
On the 9th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 9 ladies dancing and waiting, 7 swans of ring, 6 keys of lace, 5 gold rings, 5 gold rings.
How many rings?
5 gold rings.
That's a lot of bling.
That's a lot of bling.
4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree.
Hey, guys, what'd you get?
Hey.
I got something fun. Better than everyone else. Oh, wait.
Anything is better than this?
Oh.
Oh.
Nice.
George Washington.
Very fluffy.
All he needs is a boat with Potomac.
Yeah.
Sure. Wait.
All right, let's sing.
On the 10th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 10. Turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree.
Hey, that's
Look at this.
What is that? That's a
Ball color?
I don't get it.
What thing is that?
That's it? What that's I don't understand. He's day 11.
Go ahead, try playing.
It's piping.
But no.
The pipes are full.
Try.
Alright. I think we're just gonna have to go with it. Let's go. Yeah. Alright.
Ba-doo, 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 ba-doo. 11th day of Christmas, true love, yes, she gave me. Pipes piping, goes a reaping, ladies dancing, days of milky, swans of swimming, geese are laying. 5 gold rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a
Ding dong, ding dong, the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. Ding dong, 12 and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 gold rings, 5 golden rings, 5 golden rings.
Oh no. Oh, he's still here. Me too. Oh, there it is. There we go. There it is. There he is.
Get him, get him.
Get her.
One calling bird, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree.
Where was I? Here we are. Wartime and Christmas. Of course, there were also some rather hard years for my family, along with all the happy ones. It was 1950 when my father was called back to fight in the Korean War. I was 15 years old. I was so proud of my papa. We all were.